All right, here in New Brighton. Walking across the bridge, 35W. A little farther up from 694. I got one more that way. So, we're over here at Hoffman Weber Construction. So, yeah. Head across here, and this is like a pretty older train track. Not used a lot. Some garbage. I don't know where it goes to. It says it's Army. I don't know if it's an Army one or not, but I feel it's kind of old. It's pretty easy to get to. Old Highway 8. I don't know what this is all about. It's a little rail fanning here today. 20th day of April 2024. Smoking some good old cigars. The grape. Southbound, northbound. You can tell it's kind of old. I don't know if they bring in wood here for these guys or not. Got classic trash. Just kind of looking for some train spotting, rail fanning. He must bring some wood in or something. Kind of dead ends up here. Probably built a long time ago. If it gets used, it's probably they bring in some lumber and got some trailer house over here. You don't want any poor people out on the train track. Slums of New Brighton. Yeah, it's a nice day on the 20th day of April. Not too bad. I get my convertible out here this year. You'll see this in 2025, so hopefully we had a better winter this year. More snow. Had very little 2024. You can tell they have a rail line in there, a spur, but oh yeah, they do bring some in. You can tell right there. They do bring them in. They probably back them down and bring them in. You can tell right there, the rail car. So yeah, it does bring it down a little bit. Goes all the dead ends. So let's head on back. A little trash, but hey, you can tell. They bring in their woods. They probably come down here once in a while. Tell it's an old rail line. A lot of my walk before should be that one, the Ford one you saw me walk. Should make that into a bike trail or into a light rail, one of the two. But It's a nice day to do some rail fanning, walk on railroad tracks, do some classic trespassing. This is strange how this is. I have no idea what the hell this is all about. I don't understand that. Gotta have the Bud Light cans. Gotta have that. Old RV cruising right along there. Old one, that's an old RV. Hey, I can tell how old that rail is. Where the hell that was. A lot of graffiti. Tell. 420. That's hilarious. No trains, damn it. What the hell that is? But usual trash on railroad tracks. People just throw stuff. Alright, I gotta main the drain, but hope you guys enjoyed another one. I got one more I gotta do before I head home, so it's down a little farther. So do some rail fanning ones. I want to do some snorkeling this year too as well. So coming up sooner or later, we're gonna have we're going to Baltimore Ocean City, so we're gonna go there so for vacation. So all right, guys, here in New Brighton, rail fanning. Heck yeah. Talk to you guys next one. Keep on railing.